Okay, so the question came up on which formula we're going to use for which pyramid and in which case. And it really goes down to which base we're dealing with, whether it's a pyramid or a cone. What is the base? Because we're always going to use volume equals 1/3 area of the base times the height. And we have to figure out the area of the base. If it's a rectangle or a square, we're going to do length times width. If it's a triangle, we're going to do 1/2 base times height. And if it's a circle, we're going to do pi r squared. So that should help with that part. The next question is, if we have a cone with radius 3 and height 9, determine the volume. And then the question is, if we double the height, will it have the same effect on the volume as if we doubled the radius? Let's look at what is the formula for the volume of a cone. Yes? The volume. What, it's on the board. It's like in this area. It's right here. Right there? Right here.
Pi r squared. And then
Okay. 1/3 pi r squared times height. Okay? So just look at this. If we double the height, is that going to have the same effect on the volume as if we double the radius? Someone tell me what you think. Summer?
I think it's going to be different because you have to do pi r squared times height, so you're going to
That's exactly right, because r squared, so if you're going to double the radius first, then you're going to square it, and that's going to have a whole different effect on the volume as if you just double the height. So let's prove this. Do we determine, go ahead and let's figure out the volume of this cone. Volume equals 1/3 pi r squared times height. So that would be 1/3 pi times 9 times 9. 1/3 times 9, that's the easiest way to do it, is 3. 3 times 9 is 27, so that's 27 pi. I'm just going to leave it in terms of pi. Did you get it? Good. Okay, so now we're going to double the height. Volume equals 1/3 pi r squared height. 1/3 pi. Radius is still 3 squared. Height is now 18. 1/3 pi times 9 times 18. 3 times 18 is 3 times 18? 54.
Oh, fair enough.
54 pi. Okay, look what happened here. I doubled the height and it doubled the volume. Now let's see what happens when I double the radius. 1/3 pi.